just gonna get ready for the day. I feel like my neighbours can see me through the window. I'm gonna be looking here, that's where my mirror is. And you might not be able to hear me. I might not even upload any of this, to be honest. But it's one of them. I keep going back and forth with this whole incorporating real life things into cleaning situations because I don't really know what to do with any of my social media accounts. I don't really know what I want to do with them, whether I want to continue with them. I'm having a bit of a quarter life crisis, I'm not gonna lie. Just life things are getting in the way. Well, not really, I'm just being dramatic. I climbed the corporate ladder so fast, like unbelievably fast, that I've got to a point where I can afford to pay my bills. I can afford to save a little bit. I can afford to go on some holidays and buy food, but like the cost of food at the minute, how anyone is able to live off one income in this economy is just beyond me. And now I'm just kind of at the point where I feel like I don't really know what I want to do. I have a career, I have something that I can settle in until, you know, I figure out what it is that I want. But this is such a weird time because I'm 25, I'm about to be 26 in a couple of months, and everybody I know is either traveling, getting married, or having babies, and I don't want to do any of those things right now. I would like to travel, however, I'm not like a backpacker type of person. I'm far too dramatic for that, and I don't like bugs. So there is no way I would be able to do that. And I also have a dog and 2 cats, so I have to be realistic. It's just a very strange time, and I'm probably just ranting about things that like literally don't matter. And I'm very grateful for my job. I'm very grateful for where I am. I'm very grateful that I can live alone, kind of afford to live. Maybe not in terms of like extravagant things, but you know, I can do a bit of savings, a bit of holidays and all of that good stuff. But when you're comparing, and I know comparison is a thief of joy, but when you're comparing where you are to everybody else, and like, it just seems like everyone online is literally buying designer handbags, going on these massive extravagant holidays. Everybody's in Dubai like every week. And I'm just, or like there's people like who I've gone to high school with who are like living their best life, traveling, getting married, like having kids. And all I'm doing is going to work. Like that's I'm walking the dog. I'm making cleaning videos and making random content that I literally don't know what to do with. So it's just a very odd time. And like I have been so close to 10k on Instagram for like nearly a year. I'm like 50 followers off 10k, and I've been stuck at this number for so long. And I know that, you know, the numbers, like they count, but it's not a big deal. But it's just the fact that like that's like a little milestone that I really want to get to. And every time I gain followers, like I'll gain like 10 followers and then I'll lose like 12. Like I don't know how it happens, but the Instagram algorithm is an absolute joke. And then my YouTube hasn't really moved in like years, and I get that I did go off on a bit of a dip in 2022, and then I've tried to kind of make a routine since then, and that's never really got into a proper routine, which I would love to, but I just feel like just so scared of putting myself out there. However, I've already been putting myself out there on the internet for years now. It's no secret to anybody. I do need to kind of interlink like my TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, like interlink them all and link them all together sort of thing. Like, you know, what's the word? Where like on TikTok you can click like Instagram and stuff, and I do need to like link it all up, but I'm just so bad at this sort of stuff. And then I'm also bad at like doing affiliate links. Like I'm on the affiliate programs for so many different things, but I'm so bad at linking all the products and like linking things together. Like it's just, yeah, I don't know how to do half of it. And like I work in tech and I still don't know how to do all of this stuff. Like my cleaning at the minute on Instagram's doing okay. I'm getting some nice views. I'm getting sent a lot of stuff. It's, you know, it's going well, and it's what I do enjoy doing. I do enjoy cleaning my house, but I do enjoy, you know, having like a clean environment to live in. I'm making all these cleaning videos on Instagram and TikTok, like putting the same stuff out there that it's like repetitive, and then all my YouTube videos are repetitive because like there's only so many times I can use the same cleaner to clean down my services. I don't want to bombard people with all these different products all the time. I just have a tiny home like in the middle of the country. I'm by no means going to become one of those people that kind of like vlogs every day because I don't have an exciting life. You wake up, feed the pets, make coffee, log on to work, walk the dog on my lunch, unless I have the dog walker, which I do have the dog walker a couple of times a week. And then I log off at like 6, and I try and make my evenings productive, but I don't know how to be productive of an evening. Like I see all these 5 to 9 routines on TikTok, like after your 9 to 5, and everyone's, you know, going to the gym and like baking and, you know, journaling and all this good stuff, and I literally will log off and rot and sit on the sofa with a blanket and do nothing. And I would like to get out of that. However, there's not a lot to do, especially when the weather's crap. Like, the weather is shocking at the minute. Probably won't be the only one in this situation that just like constantly worries about things. And it might not even matter. Like, in 6 months' time, I literally could be fine and everything is aligned. Anyway, that'll do for now. He has been rinsed off, but he decided to go sit outside in the mud. Does anyone else? What? Anyone else's cat just meow for food when they've already been fed?